Good morning, everybody. How are you? I think you are fine. Why? Anushri, Oishi has given so many emojis. Please delete it. Please delete it. Because only this is the formal group. Only that need full messages you can give. No need to give that messages. Please delete it. Anushri and Oishi. One thing. Today I'll give your project. Okay. That from your English 1 and English 2. English 1 I will give later, but only English now. For the month of December, you should do that project. For that, one chapter I have already taught you from the English text. So project from that chapter I am giving. Please write it, and also you will get it in my e-portal. You cannot see me, Ayush? Let me see once. Any problem? I will tell the submission date of the project and where and when you will give that project, submit. But please now do in the month of December, and please prepare the project. Draw or paste the picture of winter vegetables, fruits and flowers on your scrapbook or chart paper and write 10 to 15 lines about winter. It is too noisy. Then that does means who is sharing the screen? Okay, what is this? Oishi, continuously you are not muting. Full every day I have to tell. Ayush Mondal, why are you not muting your microphone? Fatima Khatun, who is this doing for this screen? Board. Please look at the board. And again I am telling, draw or paste the picture of the winter vegetables, fruits and flowers on your scrapbook or chart paper and write 10 to 15 lines about winter. These things you will get in your e-portal also. So now I will tell how you will write. Just I am giving some introduction how you will write in about winter. I am giving the hints. You can write winter begins in West Bengal. In our West Bengal, from last of November and it stays till February. It is the coldest season of the year or of all seasons. of all seasons. So these two lines I have written. After that, you can write also that the coldest season, which fruit you are getting, which flowers you are getting, and you are wearing also some woolen clothes to protect yourself. And it is very nice season for you. Sometime we should protect ourselves by giving that, by wearing that woolen clothes, woolen jacket. All these things you have to write. And like this 10 small sentences you have to write on your chart paper, and you can write in the scrapbook, no problem. But you should draw or paste the winter vegetables, fruits, and also the flowers. Which flowers you are getting, sometimes you can write about this. Please write like this, okay? So, please, and this is the thing. So, please do this, and all these things you can get in your YouTube channel. So, today I will, what is this? I will start that chapter number, chapter from Marigold, Little Tiger, Big Tiger. Please read with this, page number 69. Here project I have given. I will give again in my e-portal. And today I will just read from the text. Little Tiger, Marigold, from Little Tiger, Big Tiger. Please read with me. Who are in this class? Let me see first. Obhimanyu Garai, Oishi Ghosh, Ankon Saha, Anushree Das, Anushka Goswami, Arindam Ghosh, Ayush Mondal, Afroz, Daksha, Daniel, Diksha Singh, Dibyanka Mukherjee, Fatima Khatun. Okay, beta. No need to give present now. I will just do. But one thing now, please read with me. Little Tiger, Big Tiger. There was a mother tiger and her small tiger cub. They lived near a river in the shady jungle. When the sky was dark, the mother tiger hunted for deer and pig. The tiger cub stayed close by his mother's side. So, actually, tiger also, when your mother is preparing food, your father is bringing food for you, and they are both preparing food for you. Here also, mother tiger, she is responsible for her tiger cub. So, when the sky was dark, it was dark time. So, mother tiger hunted for deer and pig, so she can give food to her baby. The tiger cub stayed close by his mother's side. When the langur monkey saw her, he called a loud, harsh call. Watch out, a tiger is coming. Actually, some animal, they are giving the news, like this langur. Langur is a type of monkey. It was calling, harsh calling. And everybody knew that the tiger is coming, because they have to also live. Tiger also have to live. And tiger also have to eat something. But deer and pig, they are also very afraid of the tiger. So langur monkey is just calling them, everybody. He was knowing that please, everybody be careful, that tiger is coming. The Shambho deer bellowed, the Kakkar deer barked, and sometimes the game got away. She hunted them for a jungle fowl, for peasant and for fog. Okay, and went to the river for fish. She did not hunt every night. Actually, everybody was very clever, and they are telling to everyone. They are just So they are just telling to their friends that now I am just seeing that, look, that is not jungle, beta. I am seeing the board. Can you see now? Ayush, please write to me. I know that, Ayush Mandal, you have seen that. Now please tell me, that is that. Oof, some problem is there. Somebody is showing the. Please write, Ayush. Can you see me or not? Yes or no? Ayush, please write. No, you cannot see me. Daniel also is writing that. Why somebody is sharing the screen or some things? You also see the jungle. But I can see the board. Okay, let me see. What is that? You can also see the jungle. Okay, let me see.